What's up everyone, it's your boy LK. Without wasting a moment, I'll show you how you can record voiceovers with DaVinci Resolve. Let's go. So at the top left, you will see DaVinci Resolve. You click on it and select Preferences and select Video and Audio. And right here, make sure your input device is your microphone. So mine is already selected, and for the output is default. If you have your earphones or headset, you can select it, and then you can click on save. So we'll now go to the Fairlight section, which is right here, and we'll now add a stereo track by right clicking on the first audio and select add track and stereo. Now we have the track we're gonna record on it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in A2 because this is audio 2. So click and select input, and now you need to select your microphone. So mine is this one, so I select it and I click on patch. So now I can close the tab, and the microphone is already set for this track. And go here, click on arm for record. Now like I can see and like I can hear, the track is ready to record. The final step is just to click on this button, record, and now your voiceover is in place. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want, and catch up in the next video.